Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. My name's Bethany. If you're new here, thanks for coming by. And if you're not, thanks for coming by. So I have something that I've never ordered before, and that is a FabFitFun Mystery box. That was exciting, right? I think it was $29 for the mystery box. Don't quote me, but if you want to see my first ever mystery box, you know what to do. Hit that like button. Stay tuned. Okay. I see a lot of people get these mystery boxes as add-ons. And I know there's a lot of new customizations going on with FabFitFun, and it's only for annual members. So if you are not subscribed to FabFitFun and you like lifestyle boxes, not really makeup, not really skincare, just general items, go check it out. So it comes like this, randomly packaged. Let's see. It says mystery MYS038. If anybody has gotten that one, let me know. Some extra fluff. So I thought it would come in like a mystery box, but it doesn't. All right, so we're gonna just jump into it, and I'll let you know. They didn't give me any prices, but you let me know if you think it's worth $29. Okay. It's like a trap door here. 1 pint. Is that 1 pint? All natural infusions, garden cocktails. Usually this stuff is like whatever didn't sell, right? All natural infusions, minted mule, garden gimlet, Marrakesh lemonade. So there's 3 packets in there. That's pretty cool. And it gives you some stuff on what this is in the back. All right, awesome. Next, ooh, trophy skin, which, okay. Discover your best skin. Brighten MD. Multifunction eye, face, and neck tool. It's a neck tool. Okay, what's in the box? Brightening MD device, USB charging cable, and a user manual. So it looks like it has heat therapy, high power LED, which I guess is good for collagen reproduction, microcurrent, sonic vibration, 90-degree rotating head, smart touch sensor. This sounds like it would be a lot of money, and I'm always happy to try skincare tools. Let's bust it open. You guys have this? Anybody have this? Or got it? So here we go. Opens like a little compartment. Like that. Oh, okay. Oh, look at how pretty it is. It's like unicorn vibes. All right. This looks cool and interesting. Anything to give you that glow. Yes, yes. Need that in my life. Well, to keep it going, you know. All right, sun ray. This is 50 FPF. Oh, translucent gel sunscreen. That's great. 3.4 fluid ounces and 100 mLs. Gels are really good for oily skin. It says all skin types, safe for kids, safe for the body and face. I would hope putting this on your face, it would be safe. Okay, paraben-free, fragrance-free. That's really awesome.
So that's 3 products, and the last
product, so we only got 4, are these, oh, Lucky brand socks.
Wonderful. You get 3 pairs of socks. All right. These are nice. Look at that. Fall colors. Yep, with the leaves. So this is definitely not a summer thing. But hey.
3 pairs of socks. Why not? I wear socks all year round in the house. All right, so I got socks, sunscreen, a face tool, and some drink mix, which you don't have to make it with alcohol. You could just probably do it your own way if you could figure it out. Make some lemonades or whatever. But 4 products, $29. I'd still try it again because there's things I don't have. That's a plus, right? So on the bright side, things I don't have. And let me know in the comments, do you get the FabFitFun Mystery Box? And do you think this was a win? And as always, guys, stay safe.